In today's topic, we would be discussing GIS application. A Geographic Information System, GIS, consists of integrated computer hardware and software that store, manage, analyze, edit, output, and visualize geographic data. Much of this often occurs within a spatial database, although this is not essential to the definition of a GIS. In a broader sense, a GIS may also include human users and support staff, procedures and workflows, a body of knowledge on relevant concepts and methods, and institutional organizations. Areas of use. Defense. GIS aids national security by analyzing geospatial data for planning strategies, locating potential targets, and minimizing environmental impacts. Mapping. GIS is crucial for visualizing and analyzing community data, helping to assess and advocate for services. Urban planning. Planners use GIS to map housing data, understand trends, and guide growth to reduce land consumption. Agriculture. GIS monitors global food security, aids in famine prediction, and helps farmers improve productivity and efficiency. Surveying. GIS streamlines survey data management, saving resources and ensuring data integrity across formats. Transportation. GIS is used in aviation for managing facilities, airspace, and noise, ensuring effective transport network configurations. Census. GIS enhances census mapping, providing accurate data visualization and analysis for meaningful insights. Problems with GIS implementation in Nigeria. Power. Implementing GIS in Nigeria is problematic due to erratic power supply, as most of the equipment requires electricity. Though Nigeria has abundant energy resources, they are not fully utilized. Without adequate and regular power supply, implementation is difficult. Personnel. GIS implementation requires experts for operation. Nigeria lacks sufficient and qualified personnel to operate the system, hindering its full operation. Capital. Cost of hardware and software. Purchasing GIS equipment involves significant capital investment. The government is reluctant to spend large amounts on this equipment. Currently, only a few universities in Nigeria have GIS centers due to the substantial cost of setting them up. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.